In this video, we're gonna show you how to measure a drum sander conveyor feed belt. There's obviously 6, 7, 8 different types, and you have to see which one you need in order to replace it. So when you pull it off, you can either cut it down the middle. Obviously it's worn out, you can't use it anyway, so you might as well sacrifice it to try to get the most accurate size. We're gonna cut down the splice here. And we have 2 different measurements that you're gonna wanna get, okay? We're gonna have the width, which is gonna go this way. So here, in our case, this is 16 inches wide. Then you're gonna measure the total length now this way. So this one, we have 43.5 inches wide. This one in particular is for the Jet 1632. Again, there's a ton of different sizes. I'm just showing you how to measure it. That way you can choose the right item here on our product page.